In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create pin in Pinterest desktop. By the end, you'll know exactly how to upload your visual, add all the important details, and publish a polished pin that's easy for people to find and save. First, open Pinterest in your desktop browser and sign in if you're prompted. Make sure you're on the home screen so you can easily access the creation tools. Next, look to the left side of the screen for the plus icon. Click it, then choose Pin. This opens the pin creation tool, where you'll add your image or video and all of the information that helps your content perform well. Click the option to choose a file, or simply drag and drop your visual into the upload area. For best results, use a clear, high-resolution image, ideally in a vertical format. Give Pinterest a moment to upload and generate the preview before moving on. Add a strong, clear title. Keep it concise and descriptive so people instantly understand what they'll get when they click. Using relevant terms here helps your pin surface in searches. In the description field, expand on your title with useful details. Explain what viewers will learn or see, include natural keywords, and add a simple call to action. Aim for clarity over fluff so the description supports the image and encourages engagement. Paste your destination link in the link field. This is where people will go when they click your pin, so double check that the URL is correct, live, and leads to the most relevant page. If you use tracking parameters, make sure they're clean and readable. Choose the board where this pin should live. Select the most relevant board so your content stays organized and easy to discover for followers who browse by topic. Use tagged topics to help Pinterest understand what your pin is about. Start typing a few accurate topics and select the ones that match. This improves reach without you needing to overstuff keywords elsewhere. If your pin features items for sale, use product tagging to link those products directly. This makes your pin shoppable and guides viewers straight to what they're interested in. If you're not showcasing products, you can leave this untouched. If the visual was generated or meaningfully edited with AI, mark it as AI modified. This transparency builds trust and aligns with platform guidelines. Finally, review everything for accuracy and click Publish. Your pin will go live and begin circulating on Pinterest. That's it. You've created a desktop pin with all the right details to help it stand out.